Geniverse 02. This is the Big Daddy. It's charged, and I've got this is my MIG stick and TIG welder. It's a fairly light one. That's the Vevor one I did a video about. And I need to make something, and I wanted to see, I was like, hey, you know, I'm having to like do stuff in random places all over the property. Would this power station work for, I was just trying it out. I'm goofing off. And I actually discovered something.
Hey, safety first.
You gotta have safety first.
We just had our safety stand down.
Shut the
because you didn't have your beard wrapped up.
We're not doing a safety.
And you cinched it. Yes, we are.
I did my vehicle checklist too and inspection forms. Hey.
Well, good.
No, you got to make sure you do this stuff. Look, I could easily just sit down and start doing stuff, but when hot slag goes in my beard, a piece of my beard gets gone, and hair, and you know, you end up with it on your leg and crotch. And if you want to make babies again, you got to make sure that you protect yourself. Ready?
Yep.
Really, the metal I'm welding to is thin. This is thick rod, so I just have to like be careful about overheating it and shooting straight through the thin one. It's welding, so that's a plus. Just gonna try and tack it. I don't need anything too severe. Yeah. It's working.
Look at that.
Pretty cool. So you can carry it out into the light and actually work, you know, if you wanted to go to a location that doesn't have power.
Yeah.
So it's a benefit of knowing that. So it will weld. It'll run an air compressor. Air compressor doesn't just exactly work off of anything. You have to have a lot of juice, and this will actually power an air compressor as well. So once you know that, it's pretty crazy. So it'll power a lot of stuff. That's all I got. All right. All right.
At
Show people
80, we're watching, babe.
Okay.
80%.
How much have I used so far? I pretty much finished this. It's one solid piece now, what I was working on, and we're how far?
80%.
So I've used about 20%.
Yes.
Okay. Good stuff. Woo! Alright, that one's already done. I just need to go back around.
Okay.
And then I'll be done.
All right. Welcome back to the SOS farm.
Yes, so ridiculous.
We are goat proofing as best we can.
What did I say first?
I don't know. What did you say first?
Safety first.
Safety first. I had to make him attend a safety stand down when his beard got entangled by a power tool. And he had to write a memorandum.
Okay.
So here we are, goat proofing the gate. And since we have no power out in the barn yet, we've got this nifty Geniverse.
Yep. Dun, dun, dun. You just love showing people our crazy stuff we do.
Mm-hmm. You let me know when I can power on.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's the fence for the other goats, so we don't get any inbreeding going on. And there he goes. We've got 72%, so we're good.
Hurry up.
that one's trying to get that one knocked up. Good job, Kate. Good job, Apple.
Bit him, yeah.
He's a jerk. That's what. So explain this contraption, good sir.
Well, I made a fence stretcher. These come in a pack of like 20, I think, for like $5 or something. These hooks, and then I just did a double hook down here. And this is my ratchet strap that's connected to the truck's bumper over here. And
Nice.
well, anyways, you ratchet strap your fence. You can take a look right there and get it
Yeah,
all
it's
nice and stretched out.
Very tight, because
And it won't break the look how much tension's on there. It's not breaking the welder. Well, this is just welder wire.
Yeah.
It's not breaking. I already got a U-nail in right there. But if you go to the store and you buy one, they're about $75 to like $70.
Yeah, because that's tight.
And just driving these guys in, you want to do the T-cross there and just get yourself a U-nail and just drive her on in.
Get yourself a comfy, cozy pen for the goats.
And everything will turn out much better. It just looks nicer.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Good dude.
Yeah.
All right. Project goat fence. Just for you, Candy. Hey, I'm working over here. I'm feeding life.
Fracking woman never helps me.
I'm feeding the candy. That's right. Get her strong so she can go mountain climbing and carry all of our gear. Huh. Yeah, we just got to get the inside secure a little bit for the goats. I got to, of course, get all that fixed up. And we got to get that hole fenced in so they don't squeeze and climb underneath. But yeah, it's coming along. Just got the inside to do. Isn't that right, Candy? Just right.
Woman, can you hold this door?
Do you need help?
I'm going to go on strong.
Okay.
You're not going to get anything out of me.
Okay. Hold on.